Let's see. Now I want to also add a Google map in here, so that's kind of fun sometimes. If I go here, go Control T, so I'm going to go to maps.google.com. So this is my hokey house that I grew up in back in longer than I care to tell people. So one of the great features about Google Maps is you can embed these maps into your HTML, and same goes for like YouTube videos and most other places that store dynamic content. They'll have this paste the HTML to embed into another website, iframe code, so you just copy that, come back to our posting, and we post it, and we go save, and voila, it's text, right? Like, what the hell, Nelson? That's because it's just text. I posted it as text here. Funny thing is, when I go back, it actually starts to load it again. But in order to do this the right way from the start, what we're going to do, I'm going to go show hide. If I delete it from here, it's kind of quirky. This is one of those quirks. Okay. So here, dot. So if I was just editing it like I was before, right? I was here to edit it. Then what you do is go show hide, and what that does is it shows you the actual HTML that's creating your post. And now you go Control Paste, and you've actually pasted all that little code that you copied from Google. And now you go save. And voila, look, now our map is nicely in there. So what we did is we showed the HTML and we pasted our iframe reference. And that's the tutorial for today. Actually, I'm lying. I want to show you one more thing. Check this out. Okay, so show hide, bam, back to my editor. Now, I'm going to go to full screen, and I'm going to come here. Don't worry about the Google map not loading. It just doesn't do it in this preview mode right here. It's there. Now what I want to do is I want to include like a Rhino file here, which is a little map. So what I want to show you now is just how to embed other types of like PDFs and Rhino files and Mastercam files. Click here to bam. Now here, the advanced link, insert edit link. So I highlighted the text that I wanted, and now you'll see it highlights up here, and I go bam. Now what this does, it allows me to upload all types of file content. Looks a little bit differently. This is this browse button, allows me to browse for media content, and this comes to a similar that we saw before. I'm going to go to Nelson. So here in this case you have to navigate to your own folder, because sometimes you can grab things from other places on the website to link to, right? You can link to other places on the web. And so I'm going to come here, I'm going to go to PAL tutorial pics, and I'm going to upload a file. So go to add, I select on a Rhino file, go open, goes there, goes upload, little check mark, fantastic. Again, I have to manually close this. You'll see it's now stored in my directory. Click on it here, go insert, and bam, now that little link is referencing exactly where that Rhino file is. And we just go insert, bam, and now I can do take me away from full screen, save this. Alrighty, here we are. Click here to download. And there you go. Voila, you've got a link. So now you guys know most of the basics for creating pretty web posts. I'm going to leave it to your creativity to make things that look better than mine. I think you can quite easily. You've got all the tools. Thank you very much for joining me today, and welcome to PAO.